I wanted to do some commuting and exercise, but inside the house, there's no space to store any bicycle. I needed a bicycle that is not too expensive to be able to lock outside the house, in the hope of reducing theft case, of course. After some searching, I found a foldable bicycle within my budget. The brand stated on the bike is Camel, probably an OEM bike. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the bike details. I will also demonstrate how to fold and unfold the bicycle. If you are interested in the folding bike after watching the video, do check out the link in the video description. Welcome to Over the Hill YouTube channel. Remember to like my videos and subscribe to my channel for more videos. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.